What's going on, guys? We just got here to Carrera Performance in Jessup, Maryland. They just finished getting the harmonic balancer done on my 2003 Corvette Z06. So let's pick it up and bring it home. There she is. All right, boys, just got the car, fired it up. We'll talk a bit more when I get home. But this is she's looking good. Alright, boys, we are back in the C5 Z06. I'm gonna fill her up with some gas and then we're gonna head home. I guess back to work first and then home. Damn, I miss this thing. It feels solid. I'll talk a little bit more about the difference with the new harmonic balancer, and we'll even take a look at it a little later. But we're back. What's going on, guys? I realized I never actually did a full explanation of the harmonic balancer job after I got it done, so I figured I'll do it right now. So pretty quickly after I bought the C5, I noticed that the harmonic balancer was wobbling a little bit. So because of that, I decided to do a post-purchase inspection, even though I'd already done a pre-purchase one. And it turned out I was right. We found a lot wrong in the post-purchase inspection, so I've been taking care of those things one by one. But the main one that scared me was the harmonic balancer, so we got that done pretty quick. According to the shop, the harmonic balancer outer ring had slipped, which is really bad for timing in general, and it's attached directly to the motor. So I really wanted to prioritize getting that fixed, and that's why we ended up going to Carrera Performance in Maryland to get that fixed. And yeah, I mean, ever since I got that harmonic balancer replaced by them, cars felt much better at idle and even in higher rev ranges. A lot more smooth, not as much rumble. Other than that, I don't really know like the exact differences that a wobbling harmonic balancer would have on drive quality. I know for a fact that the car is smoother with the new damper that I have on there. I went with the ATI super damper, very expensive part. I do think it was a little bit overkill. Probably didn't need to go for a $500 part, but I wanted to play it safe, and it should be a lifetime fix for these cars going with the ATI super damper. Anyways, we got the part installed, brand new belts, brand new bolt. I spoke with one of the mechanics there, one of the owners at Carrera Performance, and he was telling me that the crank bolt actually stripped, so they had to re-tap that, and the original bolt that was in there was bent. So I definitely had to get that done, especially because I'm daily driving this car and I do like to push it here and there. So just to be safe, it made sense to have a healthy harmonic balancer. All in all, the harmonic balancer job ran me around, I want to say $1,400. It would have been more if they did the alignment, but their alignment machine was broken. I did start noticing right after that job got done, I got a little bit more play in the center of the steering wheel. So you'll see here, the car doesn't really respond in that area. So I looked into that a bit, and when I fixed the rear diff leakage, I realized that my tie rods and tow arms are completely gone. Like, they're just cracked to all hell. I'm pretty sure this car still has the original tie rod ends and tow arm ends. So I went ahead and ordered that too, and that'll be a video soon. We'll get that worked on. And I'll also upload the rear diff video very shortly as well. Anyways, after we finished the harmonic balancer job, I picked up the car later that weekend. I went ahead and hit up a car meet, and that's what I'm going to throw these next few clips up from. It was a pretty cool car meet, some sick cars there, and yeah, enjoy it. What's going on, YouTube?
What's up, guys? No, don't say that.
Video, we're going to pick up my car from Carrera Performance in Maryland. I just got the harmonic balancer
replaced along with both belts and the crank bolt.
Alright guys, take two. Apparently I smile too much.
Really?
Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going back to... Alright guys, we got some good news. The Z06 is ready for pickup. I dropped it off at Carrera Performance.